"You must be crazy," they would say. "You'd fall for sure." And so Philippe, that was the young man's name, began a plan to do it secretly. "The buildings are not quite finished," he thought. "Maybe if I dressed as a construction worker." Early on an August evening he and a friend entered the South Tower. They got a 440-pound reel of cable and other equipment into the elevator, took it to the unfinished top 10 floors, and waited till nightfall when everyone had gone. Then they carried everything up 180 stairs to the roof. At midnight, on the other tower's roof, two more friends tied a thin, strong line to an arrow and shot it across to Philippe 140 feet away. It missed and landed on a ledge 15 feet below the roof. "Bad luck," thought Philippe. He crawled down to the ledge, over the sparkling city, and got the arrow. To its line he tied a stronger line, which his friends pulled back to their tower. To his end of the stronger line Philippe tied the cable on which he would walk. It was 7/8 of an inch thick. His friends pulled the cable over to their tower, but it was so heavy that it slipped from Philippe's grip. The cable's middle plummeted toward the street, pulling the friends on the other tower to the very edge. Philippe, just in time, secured his end. It took 3 hours to pull the cable back up. Frantically, as the stars faded, they tightened it between the towers. It was past dawn before they were ready. Philippe put on his black shirt and tights. He picked up his 28-foot balancing pole. All his life he had worked to be here, to do this. As the rising sun...
We are going to stop here to answer the questions. How did Philippe and his friends get on the towers? And what did they do at midnight?